Are you among the students looking to turn your passion for news into a profitable business? There's nothing to worry about. In this cutting-edge YouTube video, we explore how AI can enhance your news channel's development and monetization. Join us as we unveil strategies and techniques to enhance your content, grow your audience, and increase profitability by harnessing AI for your news channel. Come and take part in this educational adventure where students can make money and traditional news reporting is being revolutionized by the power of AI. Prepare to see your dreams take off in the digital era. But wait, before we proceed, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. So you want to build the best news channel? Well, you've come to the right place. In the age of algorithms and automation, artificial intelligence is poised to transform how we consume and create the news. With AI on your team, you'll be able to scale your operations, reach more readers, and ultimately build a sustainable media business as a student. The future of journalism is automated, and you can get in on the action. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming student journalism and give you the tools and tips you need to start your own AI-powered news channel. Get it right and you'll build a news channel that's innovative and trusted. AI is the key to the future of news, if you have the vision and values to unlock its potential. Curating diverse perspectives with unbiased AI algorithms. To build the best AI-powered news channel, you need to curate content from unbiased sources. Use AI to analyze news from all sides. AI algorithms can analyze huge volumes of news articles to identify patterns and connections humans might miss. Have your AI comb through news reports from media outlets across the ideological spectrum. By including multiple perspectives, you'll gain a more balanced, well-rounded view of events. The promise of AI for delivering personalized news. AI has the potential to revolutionize how we consume news. With machine learning and natural language processing, AI can analyze your interests and preferences to deliver a personalized news experience tailored just for you. Curated content. AI can scan thousands of news stories to find the ones most relevant to you. No more wasting time sorting through headlines that don't interest you. Your news channel will provide a curated selection of the day's top stories based on your tastes. If you are liking the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification or the bell icon so I can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Personalized playlists. Why settle for a generic news playlist when you can have one created just for you? AI can analyze your viewing habits to build custom playlists featuring your must-see news stories, shows, and journalists. Your playlists will evolve with your interests to keep you up to date on the topics you care about. Recommendations galore. When it comes to your news consumption, AI goes the extra mile by introducing you to fresh perspectives and insights that align with your preferences. It can skillfully suggest up-and-coming journalists and experts whose work is likely to resonate with your interests. Moreover, AI ensures you stay well-informed by presenting related news stories and angles that might have slipped under your radar, ensuring you're always in the know. Automating event-based news stories. For straightforward news stories about events, meetings, announcements, AI systems can generate draft articles in seconds. The AI ingests data like attendee names, event locations, dates, key decisions, quotes, and other details. Reporters simply review the draft for accuracy, polish the prose, and add additional context or commentary. This can drastically reduce the time spent writing repetitive news stories and allow journalists to shift their efforts to more in-depth investigative pieces. Using natural language generation to automate news writing. Natural language generation AI is a technique that automatically generates text from structured data. Using natural language generation, news organizations can automatically create draft news stories from data about events, sports, finance, and more. Reporters can then review, edit, and publish these machine-generated stories, freeing up their time to focus on more complex news coverage. Smart search and recommendations. Once your content is transcribed and organized, AI can help surface the best parts through smart search and recommendations. Your team can search transcripts, audio, and video to quickly find relevant clips and sound bites. AI also provides recommendations based on topics, keywords, speakers, and more. These tools reduce the time spent digging through raw footage to find what you need. Optimizing video production with intelligent editing tools. Optimizing your video production process is key to building an efficient news channel. Intelligent editing tools powered by AI can help streamline many of the tedious tasks, freeing up your team to focus on the creative elements. Automated transcription and translation. Automated transcription uses speech recognition to convert audio into text, allowing you to quickly generate transcripts for your raw footage. AI translation tools can then translate the transcripts into multiple languages, expanding your reach to new audiences. These tools aren't perfect, but they provide a solid starting point for your team to then review, edit, and finalize. So there you have it, with AI on your side, you've got the power to build a news channel like no other. Forget the talking heads and opinion segments, you can deliver just the facts with AI summarizing the day's top news stories. The future is bright for news with AI, you've just got to have the vision and willingness to try something new. Give the people the unbiased, fact-checked news they crave, and you'll build a loyal following. The tools are there, now go build the best AI-powered news channel the world has ever seen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest productions. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us in today's journey of building the best news channel with AI.